Alright, so this is Kum Go's new app recording. Well, not app, but new app for his reward members. That has all kinds of features, but the one that I'm showcasing today is pretty significant. So today we're looking at fuel. At the moment, I don't have any fuel points because I used them all the other day. And then it will showcase the location for where you're at once it syncs up properly, and you earn 2 points per gallon. I do rideshare for a living, and so that's huge, right? And so 2 points adds up, and then you get fuel discounts and so on. So you take advantage of it big time. So you do get started. You look at the pump for which you're at, which right now I'm at pump 6, so I do 06. Select pump. And that's my location. That's the pump. Activate pump. Activate pump. Alright, so it gives you 3 minutes, so therefore you can get out of the car, release your fuel tank cap, and so on. So then I do that, and then when I'm done, I'll come back and show you what happens. This is the part where it gets neat for rideshare, at least. Alright, so now that I'm done with my fueling, now you can see it says fuel reward none, because I didn't have anything that was active. I spent $25, paid with X card, and then here's the catch: your receipt will be emailed to you. And so that's huge, because everything becomes electronic, right? So therefore, we go through a whole nother video where you could make a rule in your Outlook or whoever you use for email, where all those receipts will get compiled up on a daily basis or even weekly, and therefore you could see, you could track your spending a lot easier. And so that's the Kum Go app. Now we close out of here, go back, and then now you see you have 99 points, and I need 151 for my next reward. So it comes in handy, and this is the new feature that's out with this new updated app. I think this app came out in the beginning of the pandemic, because they're trying to do the whole contactless thing. That was becoming a real deal, right? And so they created this app, more intuitive, more features, and very user friendly. So highly recommended. Even if you don't do rideshare, check out Kum Go. It's only in like 10 different states, and most of it's like Midwest and Western states. So I don't think it's in like Hawaii or Alaska or anything yet. But other than that, you guys take care. Thanks for watching, and you have a good day.